Hello, welcome to Bank Holiday Monday in the UK. The weather this morning was absolutely hammering down, so I guess a lot of people decided to stay at home, which is a bonus for us because there's two of us out today. We just came out to enjoy the beautiful scenery and have a bit of a cook up. If I can get this little lot cooked up before it rains, I'll be more than happy. Typical British weather. 1 minute it's raining, the next minute the sun's out. We better be quick. I treated myself to another Firebox product. It's the first time I've seen it in the UK, so I thought I've got to have one. Surprise, surprise, it's a stove. It's the new Firebox Gas Stove. I was playing around with it and I thought it would work brilliantly well with my honey stove. I'm rushing now, so I'm making a hash of this. Oh, sides come out as well. It's not going well today. There we go. We're in. What do you think? Small pots. Put a couple of pins across the top. Larger pots will sit straight on top. One of those days and I'm beginning to wonder what the hell I'm doing. I pinched the metal top off of another pot for that. Beautiful job. What I thought I'd do, put the rice in there, which is covered in mud at the moment. Use the Soto lid. Put them in his little home. There's a reason they give you one of these. There's a lesson to you all. Remember to use your pot gripper. What a donut. It's all going wrong today. I'm really enjoying this little Soto set as well. Hopefully that little heat pot there will keep it nice and warm. Firebox also give you this little titanium flame spreader, I guess you could call it. And I thought it was interesting. This is for wider pots. Works beautifully. Got some of this goodness left over from yesterday. Got some lamb fat. Whoa! And I thought that'd be lovely to fry off lunch with. In goes the veg. Let's have a look at this bad boy. Woo! Absolutely lovely. My boy's had his coat on as it started raining just now. Now he's hot, the sun's come out. So funny. Oh, that looks amazing. Here we go, star of the show. Leftover cooked lamb from yesterday. That's smelling beautiful already. What's he look like? Ooh. I've got two other main ingredients to go in this. One is the meat juices. And the other one is this Thai basil and sweet chili chicken sauce. It's a stir fry sauce. I got this from Aldi. Remember people, if I can cook in these conditions, which are not horrendous but they're unfavourable, then you could try this sort of thing at home, no problem at all. A few minutes to bring to the boil and we should be done. Smells nice. Woohoo! Nice and simple. I can feel a little tiny bit where the food's stuck around that area, but it's actually really good. It works really well, the flame spreader. Well pleased with that. Give it a couple of minutes. Let's have a look. Oh, my fingers are burning, so that means it must be done. Fantastic. What I'll do is just leave that there for a minute with the lid on, and I'll heat the rice up again. It's definitely one of those days today. I don't know if you can see that, but I was having a bit of a sort out and I went and tipped most of it over there. I think it'll be alright. We've got enough. This one's boiling over as well. We'll turn him off. Let's serve some lunch. Let's clean the table up before we dine. Look at that, got mud everywhere. Mud everywhere. Oh, it's a mess. That's okay. Let's dish this up. Two healthy portion sizes. Now for the rice. I'll try and do this without burning the hands. Oh, it's not too bad. Oops. Stop it. Try and make a rice stand. So there you have it, rice with beef stewy stuff. It looks absolutely fantastic. So there you have it, challenging conditions, but we managed to make lunch and it looks pretty good. But don't take it from me, let's take it from someone else who's going to give you an unbiased opinion.
I'd eat here again.
So there you have it, he'd eat here again. I'm really impressed with this. And I've been very impressed today with my new little Firebox stove, the gas one. Don't try and compare this to a Trangia gas stove because it's a different animal. It's not as good as Trangia gas stove, but it's not meant to be. It's meant to do a different job. Fantastic for small pots, and as you can see with the boil plate on the top, it does big pots as well. If you want to see loads of specs and stuff on this, have a look at a chap called Mark Youngs. He's done a video, actually I'll put a link in the description to his video for all the specs on the Firebox gas stove. Really pleased it worked with a honey stove, and I'm really pleased that my lunch turned out fantastically well. So well, as you can see, somebody else he's finished his. So on that note, thanks for watching. InfoShed out. Well, finally did it and made lunch. Looks absolutely fantastic. What do you reckon, Junior?
Not bad at all.
Excellent. Should we do that again?